Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply create a header for your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're on a Mac or Windows, you want to press on Mac Command-Shift-L, but if you're on Windows, press Ctrl-Shift-L. This will get you to your library menu from which we will get our header. So I'm on Windows, so I'll press Ctrl-Shift-L, and I can see like all the blocks here. I will press here in category and I will write here header. And now I have many options on which header I can download. I have pro version, so I'm going to use from these, and I recommend getting pro version because it's going to save you so much time. And I don't know, I'm going to choose this one here. So I will click insert. And the header will appear on the bottom of your page. Now what you want to do is just click here to navigator on the left bottom side, and then take the header and just move it on the beginning of your site. Nice. And as you can see, we created a header. Header is, I would say, it's just the columns, like 3 columns here. And then what you want to do is like click on the header, and you can change literally everything here. The size of it, how it looks like. Of course, the menu here is coming from your menu in your site. So let me show you. It's from here. So if you want to edit your menu, you need to come here and edit it here to delete it and remove it, etc. Right? And it's called main menu. So if I'm going to update it, and if I'm going to preview the change, as you can see, it's only one travel here. So now you can easily change the logo in header right here when I'm going to click on it. But what I wanted to show you is like about the editing and how to make it sticky or non-sticky. This is important, I think. So you can change the colors here. I'm not going to talk about a lot about it because this is pretty simple and you need to play with yourself here, what kind of color you like. And then when you're going to click advanced, go to motion effects, and here, this is important. Right now, as you can see, the header is on top and it's sticky. So when I'm going to scroll through the web page, it's going to be always sticky. But you can turn off the sticky, right? And when you got it, just click update. And let's preview the site. And as you can see, it's only up. And voila, how simple was that, right? And this is pretty much it. Now, of course, you can add, you can edit it, you can delete this, and you can add here something else. So I will just delete icon list here. And as you can see, we got the empty column here. So I would just, I don't know, I can add here search. And voila, I can change the icon, the size of the icon, and search like this. Then I got the style of the button. I can change the like this, and I would also change the background color to, I don't know, black maybe. Yep, and then I would also change the size of it a little bit. So now I got a different kind of column on my header. And this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. But again, to edit your menu, you need to come here. It's really important. So yeah, thank you very much, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you. See ya. Have a great day and goodbye.